Seeing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected message on your 2017 Ford Kuga? This means your tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, isn't communicating with one or more tire sensors. First, manually check your tire pressures. The problem can often be fixed with a TPMS Relearn. Try driving at 25 to 40 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. This sometimes allows the system to recalibrate. If that doesn't work, you might need a TPMS Relearn tool, available online for around $20, or a diagnostic scan performed by a professional to manually reset the system. This is often needed after tire rotations or any TPMS work. If the Relearn procedure doesn't solve the issue, a sensor may be faulty. The most common cause is a dead sensor battery, which typically lasts 5 to 7 years. Sensors have batteries that last 5 to 10 years depending on usage and conditions. Use a TPMS diagnostic tool to check individual sensor health, particularly battery voltage. Aim for 3 volt below 2.5 volts indicates a failing battery. If a sensor is dead, you'll need to replace it. Aftermarket sensors from brands like Schrader or Alligator are popular. They cost around $100 to $300 per sensor. Remember to perform a TPMS Relearn after replacing any sensors. Extreme cases might involve electromagnetic interference, but that's rare. If problems persist, consult a professional mechanic to avoid misdiagnoses.